In the times when the logistics industry continues to flourish on mobility and customer expectations are increasing by the day, Flexi LogiPro comes as an innovative cloud-based mobile application, enabling its users to perform real-time transactions on Oracle SCM Cloud and WMS Cloud. The app provides its users with an intuitive, barcode-enabled and customizable graphical user interface, running on mobile devices with Android, iOS or Windows CE Mobile. Flexi LogiPro is packed with a multitude of transactions which can be personalized to deliver efficient supply chain execution. Users log in with their Oracle credentials and, based on their roles, they perform Inventory Cloud and Manufacturing Cloud transactions in real time on SCM Cloud through Oracle-enabled web services. Standard receiving and inventory transactions like PO receipt, put away, picking, shipping, cycle count, on-hand inquiry and many more, and the critical components of manufacturing transactions like work order completion, issue and return enhance the usability of the app extensively. Besides SCM Cloud, Flexi LogiPro provides integration to Oracle WMS Cloud or Logfire, giving a modern user interface which can be customized to user needs. The built-in personalization engine can be used to default fields and reduce user keystrokes. Users can add new fields to display or capture information or bring in new validation to increase inventory control. Entirely new screens on the app can be created by the users. Additional logic can be added to call web services in WMS Cloud or SCM Cloud, print label, submit web reports, and whatnot. For an industry like logistics, which is on constant move with massive movement of people and packages, Flexi LogiPro comes across as a natural choice for a mobile application which can make emphatic impact by ensuring real-time transactions and perfect resource management. You have to use it to experience the benefits.